Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog. It's day 5 of our Tokyo-Osaka trip and now we are going to Kidzania, Tokyo. Hi guys! Day 5 na nga tayo for today's vlog and our first stop is Kidzania, Tokyo. Sinurprise nga namin ang anak namin for a Kidzania treat. Miss na niya kasi talaga ang Kidzania Manila, kaya naman now na may chance kami to go to Kidzania in Japan, talagang hindi na namin ito palalagpasin. We booked this activity directly at the Kidzania website. So sa Kidzania Tokyo, they have 2 batches. Batch 1 is from 9 o'clock AM to 3 o'clock PM. Then batch 2 naman is from 4 o'clock PM to 9 o'clock PM. Yes, so open sila hanggang gabi. So we actually booked the first batch para sana meron pa kaming mapuntahan sa hapon. But we again arrived late, so wag nyo talaga kaming gagayahin guys. Around 10:30 AM na kami nakarating ng Kidzania. Hindi kasi namin sinabi sa anak namin na sa Kidzania kami pupunta that day. Kaya medyo mabagal pa siyang kumilos that day when we woke up. Pero nanghinayang din ako kasi when we arrived, halos fully booked na yung mga popular jobs like yung sa fire station and hospital. Kaya naman, hindi na niya nagawa yung mga jobs na yon. Parang naka 3 jobs lang ata yung nagawa niya kasi magko-conflict sa schedule na yung iba. So, ang nagawa niya lang, first ay yung pilot job, then next yung sa police department, which is ito naman, gustong-gusto niya talaga. Then last naman, yung job na nagawa niya is yung security services. So, sa Kidzania Tokyo nga pala, they have English Wednesdays, meaning every Wednesday, you can expect the staff there to be speaking in English instead of Japanese. Kaya kailangan niya talaga siya i-schedule ng Wednesday para magkaintindihan sila ng kids niyo. For the fees, we booked the tickets in advance bago pa kami umalis ng Pinas. We paid 2,400 yen or 888 pesos each for the adults and 4,500 yen naman for primary school kids, which is 1,665 pesos. We paid a total of 9,300 yen or 3,441 pesos. Nasa loob siya ng Lalaport Mall. So, pagpasok nyo sa entrance, aakyat kayo ng escalator and then sa right side siya. Tapos, pinakadulo siya. Hindi ko alam bakit gustong-gusto talaga ng anak ko magtrabaho sa Kidzania. Sa mga hindi nakapunta sa Kidzania Manila dati, ito kasi yung parang may mga different types of careers and jobs sila nagagawin, depende dun sa job. And then, once done, they will be earning kidzos as their salary. So, para itong pera talaga. And para talaga silang nagtatrabaho. Dito sa Kidzania Tokyo, parang Kidzania Manila din talaga siya. Same theme, same process, same rules. He was able to open a bank account din in Kidzania Tokyo. So I think kapag bumalik kami, magagamit din naman niya yung mga yon. The only difference I noticed for Kidzania Manila and Kidzania Tokyo is yung sa Kidzania Manila, hindi ka makakabili sa mga souvenir shop nila with real money. Yung kidzos ang gagamitin mo para makabili ka doon. Sa Kidzania Tokyo naman, you can definitely buy at their souvenir shop with your real yen. Kaya naman, kahit konti lang yung nagawa namin na jobs, nakabili pa rin kami ng souvenir sa souvenir shop. Yung anak ko, pumili siya ng airplane and fire truck na keychain, while me naman, nakabili ako ng canvas bag as a souvenir. We enjoyed naman our experience there. But since gahol kami sa oras, hindi na kami nakakain ng lunch. After na lang ng Kidzania, saka kami nakapag-late lunch. Although, meron naman mga pizza store and snacks din doon. Then, meron din silang parents lounge where I stayed kasi si Habi na lang ang sumama sa anak ko na nag-ikot around Kidzania. Kasi mas mabilis sila kung dalawa lang sila. At the parents lounge, you can buy brewed coffee, cookies, and meron din naman mga vendo machines. Sayang lang kasi na-late nga kami, parang hindi na namin siya nasulit. Bumili rin kami ng mga souvenir photos ng anak namin nearing the end of the shift of your batch. I-display nila sa may bandang entrance yung mga pictures and you can opt to buy them or not. Yung pictures around 800 to 1,200 yen each. Dependent siya dun sa size kasi minsan may malaki, minsan may maliit. Then meron din options na you can customize it as a keychain or pwede mo siya ipalagay sa picture frame. Magandang experience din talaga to bring your kids here, lalo na sa mga hindi naabutan ang Kidzania Manila. Kasi in Kidzania, they will learn the value of earning money by doing their jobs. Aside from the chance of being able to wear career costumes and then you can take pictures of them, kailangan lang talaga maaga kayo at huwag kayong magpapalit para naman masulit nyo yung buong shift. All in all, my son enjoyed his experience at Kidzania Tokyo at ang super request niya sa amin na kapag bumalik daw kami sa Japan, magdadalawang batch daw siya para whole day siya na nasa Kidzania. Sobrang sayang lang ang Kidzania Manila. Sana in time maibalik din ulit talaga siya post-pandemic. It's really a good place to bring your kids over the weekend and it's also a good tourist attraction din talaga. During that English Wednesday, talagang napaka-diverse ng culture and nationalities ang nakakasama ng anak ko dun sa mga jobs nila.
Go there straight. We'll find the Nike stamps. Can I see? Ready? Done? Okay, let's go. Want to try this electronic? You want to try that electronic?
Yeah, ask for a picture.
Say yeah. Picture.
that's it for this video, guys. Thanks again for watching and see you again on the next video.